Hey, Remarkable Lifers. Well, here we are at the new house, and for those of you who guessed the Hacienda style, you got it right. And for those of you who are Taco Palooza members, you guys are getting this video at least a week early as your behind the scenes kind of fun video and everything. Thank you very much for being a Taco Palooza member. But for everyone, here we go. We're going to give you a nice walkthrough of our new home. We have this beautiful little jardín, the garden out here, complete with the fountain and everything, and JoJo is in love. I mean, she doesn't look like it right now, but that's because she got a donut on her head.
She's very peaceful.
She's very peaceful. She, poor Miss JoJo had a little growth pop up on her leg, and it started growing kind of fast, and so she had to have surgery to have it removed, and it was sent off to the clinic for, you know, for them to look at and see if it's anything bad, and it'll be back in like a couple of weeks. So there we go. So she's got a donut, but she still loves her yard. So here, we're going to go through the front of the house and into the living room. So into the main living space.
Note the screen for the dog.
So she can go in and out at will. So there's the kitchen. We are absolutely in love. The kitchen, oh my gosh, we can both fit in here now. We realized that last night. We had a friend over for dinner, well actually a couple of friends over for dinner, and we realized we can actually cook a meal in there together. And so then you come to the main living area. We have a nice, beautiful gas fireplace, our TV and everything, and this beautiful boveda ceiling complete with a cupola. It's very light. There's a lot of sunlight that comes in. It's really, really nice. We're very, very happy. It's been fantastic so far. Mm-hmm. And Craig has all of he's getting our artwork up and all of that fun stuff. He's really working really hard to make this home for us. So.
What do you think, JoJo? Do you like your new house?
She wants to know when I'm opening the door.
Right.
So we're going to go from the main living part of the house into the courtyard. And this is yet another one of JoJo's favorites. But this door, I mean, you know how it is with all homes. There's always something, right? This door sticks a little bit. And the bottom screen kind of popped out. So we're going to...
We have it taped.
Yeah, we have it taped. But, okay. There we go. So here we go into the courtyard. I think most of y'all probably saw a picture of me sitting over there in that chair. But we got all of our plants and everything moved from the other house and got the garden all kind of set up yesterday. It's really, really nice. It's very pretty. I really, really love it. As I get all dreamy-eyed, you know. Mm-hmm. And this little thing here is like a perfect bench. You can just kind of sit, hang out. We got our big cushy chairs over there with a table. We're really, really enjoying maximizing all of the space in here. I mean, we really love having outdoor space as part of the inside of the house. It's really cool. I love this Hacienda style. We both do. Okay, so now we're going to go into the bedroom. So you're going to understand this here in a little bit, but we kind of rearranged our rooms from the way that they are actually designed. And the first big thing is, this is our master bedroom, which actually is the guest room as the house is designed, but it's because we just sleep in the bedroom. We don't hang out in there. So we use this as our bedroom.
Welcome to where the magic's made.
Yeah.
It's a hot mess.
Yeah, that's the other thing. Remember, we're still unpacking. We've got most of it done, but we're still unpacking. So you're going to see boxes and stuff around. Just forgive us. But there's JoJo's her little kennel. And you can see we've got, you know, furniture and stuff in here to make it really convenient. The big bed. The room is huge. Mm-hmm. And the room is really, really nice. We've got closets over here and all of that sort of stuff. And then the bathroom here, which is really nice. I love that green tile. It's so colorful.
I love this shower.
It's the turtle bathroom.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now we'll come out. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Uh-huh.
What are you doing? Owning the place?
Uh-huh, she does. Okay, so now we're going to walk down here to my room, which is my office, and is technically the master bedroom of the house.
So there's a couple of little steps down.
Yeah. So this is technically the master bedroom of the house, but Craig so graciously, when we were looking at the house, he was like, you can have that for your office. And
No, he just demanded. He said, "This is
No,
mine.
I did
Screw
not.
you."
I did not.
You'll find out why.
Lies.
You'll
Lies.
find out why next.
All lies. Okay, so come into my room. So my office, oh yeah, you gotta show the map. So my office, as Craig's office also, will double as guest rooms in case we ever have company, you know. Family, we miss you. Come visit. So, but yeah, I've got this beautiful, it's got a nice bed, a couple of couches in here, which JoJo loves.
Yeah, that was a jumpy.
Yeah. I've got my nice desk,
And
the big closet.
giant closet, which honestly, half of this is, all that up
Storage.
there is storage. Some of this storage is,
The owner stuff.
yeah. So it
Yeah.
came with stuff. It was kind of old. It was kind of not our style. We packed it up.
Well, we cleaned it all, washed all of everything, packed it all up, and we're storing it. And we tend to do that in furnished rentals. We tend to pack up stuff that we're not going to use. That's the owner, so it's still in the same condition when we turn the property back over.
Right.
So here, I get to sit at my desk, and I have a nice fireplace. And I have my own little peaceful garden.
More big chairs.
More big chairs. This is very, very peaceful and zen. I actually usually come out here in the mornings first thing and have my cup of coffee. Or 3.
2 pots.
Well, about 3 cups. And then I have to go get up JoJo.
And JoJo cannot figure these fountains out.
Well, she started barking at them at first. She was freaked out by them. But then once she figured out it's just water, she's not scared of them anymore.
That's good.
All right, let's go back in, and you can see the bathroom, which I love this shower.
He got the good bathroom. You'll see why.
You'll see why. But yeah, look, it's huge. See?
That's a whole, KJ, that's a whole different channel we're going to have to create if you get in there too far.
It's a big shower. It's wonderful.
Okay, so this is KJ's office/guest area. Nice big room. Find your adventure.
Come on, go.
Truly Remarkable Life. Check us out.
There goes Joe.
Check us out on www.trulyremarkablelife.com. If you have any kind of needs, get a hold of us via the contact tab, or check out the services and affiliates link for things that might interest you.
Okay. Now, let's go.
You're not supposed to be up
I
there.
know, right? She's not supposed to be up there.
She getting by with stuff because we're on video right now.
She knows. She's like, oh, they got a video camera in their hand. I can get away with anything I want now. So now we are going to go to the next stop in the house, which is the reason why I got the master bedroom is my office. So let's go out.
Come on, JoJo.
Come on, JoJo. There you go. Good girl.
Good donut girl.
Good donut girl. So we do have, we'll stop right over here real quick. We have this nice 2-car garage, which still has stuff in it, and
Yeah, this is like
that's why they
excess
put it in the
stuff.
car.
We got to work it out. The other car's around the other side of the house. So we have to, and then laundry area.
Yeah, laundry area.
Really liking that and trying to set up our shelving. And
There's a door over there that actually accesses my little garden.
yeah. So,
All right, so now we're going up to the secret The secret place.
My ivory tower, as he likes to call it.
Tower.
Jojo, wait.
Come on, Jojo.
Jojo, she's got to get up there.
She's got to make sure that nothing's up here that's going to.
Exactly.
All right.
Good. He's locking cage. Okay, so we tried to stage that so it looked like we were reopening the door because we had to pause. But, oh well, there's pause indoors now, so consistency.
There's a JoJo.
You got a clone, JoJo.
No, please, no.
So this is the casita that is over the garage.
Which is also known as Craig's Ivory Tower.
This is my office. And not only does it have a nice little area for sitting and a bed that JoJo's not supposed to be on, but it has a kitchen. Full kitchen. Working refrigerator, stove, all of that. So very happy about that.
Complete with closet space. There's a nice bathroom in here.
Nice shower.
Yeah.
Talavera sink. There's a toilet behind the door. And
The view, he even has a little Juliet porch.
we'll show you that. JoJo loves the little Juliet balcony. We're careful though because there's a rooftop. So this is, I have a lake view with Mount Garcia, the neighborhood. There's an empty lot beside us. And we have a rooftop terrazza with mountain views. So basically we got this little swing door that she can move, as you can see. So we put a doggy gate here because the rooftop really doesn't have a lot of edges and she doesn't understand yet. So we haven't had time to walk her around it and make sure she can become a successful
Roof dog?
roof dog. So let me try to get out there to show y'all. So KJ has the doggy captive. So down here is the courtyard.
JoJo.
And this is our rooftop. And we got a little table up here right now, but there's no really any sun blockage. But the nighttime or evening sunset is right over there. And that's our cupola. And so you can explore the entire rooftop.
She is worried about you.
I know, she is worried because I'm up here. She's not worried, she's jealous because she can't come up here.
Orejas.
Okay, back down. I found the perfect place for my jirafa.
Yeah.
Here we go. So, that's our new house.
We love it. We are so happy with it.
So much space, it's ridiculous. I'm like, how? We're thankful. We were planning on getting an unfurnished house, but it came with a little bit of furniture. We're glad because it actually complemented the furniture that we already had.
Yeah.
We had some friends that moved houses and needed to sell some furniture. We were able to get that beautiful furniture in the living room for that. Thank you to them for cutting us a deal on that. And it really, really just everything fit perfect. Like we have everything we need.
We are very, very happy. We're both really loving the house. JoJo loves the house.
She did. She took like 2 hours of anxiety of scoping it all out. And then she was like, yeah, I'm good. If you haven't signed something, you better go sign it.
Why? I think she looked at you and said, "Why haven't we been here the whole time?"
Exactly. That was pretty much it.
All right. So with all that, thank you for tuning in and seeing our house. We're very, very happy. Thank you for following along.
And if you haven't already,
Go find your truly remarkable life.
thank you all.
Bye.
Take care. Bye-bye.